For 22 years, we have risen. For 22 years, we have soared. This 2026, we celebrate legacy, excellence, and unity. This is Southern Leyte State University at 22. Soar high in the global sky. Here's what awaits you in this year's grand celebration. Kapihan sa SLSU. Faculty Day. Honoring of student performers and student athletes. Employee sports competition. Family Day and open tournament for fundraising. Graduate School Day. And now, we soar even higher. Here's our anniversary week lineup. Fun Run. Ground Demo. We grow because of you. Mr. and Miss SLSU. Unveiling of the History Walk. International Partners Day. Hugyao, Faculty and Personal Showdown. And the Elegant Gala Night. This is more than a celebration. This is our story. Together, we learn. Together, we lead. Together, we soar. And together, we say, we are SLSU because of you. Lupad, mighty Kingfishers.